Hello guys, today we are gonna play Airplane Story 2. Let's go. Let's go. Hmm, You guys are not chatting. No, I am the YouTube. I Guys, Why guys, you guys aren't listening? Are you supposed to know me? Name. Guys, don't say hi. Why? I am recording. Oh, jeez. Why you guys don't know me? I'm so sad because you don't know. Why you guys don't know me? Wait, I think I'm doing wrong. Why you guys don't know me? Why you guys don't know me? Why you? Let's go. Let's go. I am recording. I'm recording. Let's go, baby. That's that. I had a YouTube. Recording. What is your channel name? Sorry, I was. Alright, enough chatting.
Welcome back to the Daily Object Show. This time around, we're going somewhere out of this world.
Wait. Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
Please find a seat that has golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I'm still recording. Ah! Ah! We just do a barrel roll. Thank you for your computation. I have been informed a President President Agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for your further instructions. Who's this? Oh, I can zoom out. What does it says? What is it doing? Twin of these. And remember, no one should know about this. Question mark. Did anyone else see that? Service room. Oh, I found something. It says no. Oh, it was Agent. Welcome to the Presidential Airplane. So, hi. And congratulations for what have you done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. Oh, I'm okay. Okay. Oh, another one. Trust. Workroom. Once again. Another one. Once again. President's getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there's something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. I'm playing at the table. Please do everything that we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Three of us. While we wait. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Mess. Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess. Or else we have to lock blue glue 222 for the rest of the flight. Give me the broom. Oh yes, I found the service. Great, it's clean. Don't let that happen again. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Who drew all the water? Wait, if you eat all water, you are gonna die. When time is out. Ooh, a dining room. Who's this? Oh, Ronald. Well, that brick wall. Mad Ronald. Wait, what? I'm so sorry. It's the habit. Or it's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I am the president of the Roblox States. You must know you are the heroes for this notation. Are we done now? We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. That was rude. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Blue glue too. You look like a great chef. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. She's in the chef room. Blue, I'll tell you the ingredients. You have to find them and drop them into the soup pot. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Are you ready? Time to cook. The soup needs tomato. That's not tomato. That's not tomato. Ugh, Blue Glue's taking so long. Take him out. Why Ronald called him? She's a girl, right? She's a girl, right? And she messed up. She doesn't know. She doesn't know the foods. Oh, she's my sif. I don't know why she doesn't know tomatoes. 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 She doesn't. It's red. It's red. But we hope you enjoy the soup. He should be meeting you at the personal suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? Alright, going in the wrong way. Ooh! Welcome to the computer room. Wow. Well, we use this room to protect any cybernetic. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. I'm gonna play Minecraft. Name in order. Now you must try to figure out the code. Gonna play Minecraft. Yes. Now, good luck, hackers. Use names and speed run. Speed run time. Does speed run like dream? Speed run like dream. 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later. Oh yes, I beat the dragon. 10. 2 minutes. A minute. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I had to I found Haunted to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our special guest, I'll let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere. look. Cute. Wait, let's open the door then. Ooh, I found. Look, a cute dog. What's up, peas? Could you just squish you, doggy? Don't let it be. Sorry, I was doing something. I was talking to the baby, and it was so cute. Get comfy. Play, please. I was playing at the bedly. Oh my, what happened? I can't sleep. It's nighttime already. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. There's something about this flight. I'm gonna do emojis. A monster! A monster. I'm gonna do emojis. Ah! Oh no, it's the monster. You scare me, Dad. It talks. It talks. Hey! Run! Run! Get out of the resident's bedroom. Run! It's fire! Trying to burn us to death. Ah, run! Fire! I need to run. Ah! Yes, saved. Ooh, another. Do. Yeah. Let's stay here. Let's stay here. Easy. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us now. Nothing can stop us now. Nothing can stop us now. The floor. It's lava. It's lava. Floor. The floor is lava. The floor. Get on something hide quick. Almost burned my toes. Ah, my toes. Ah, it burned my toes. The fire's gone. It burned my toes. It burned my toes. Ah! The fire's gone. What is happening? I called 911. I called 911. Call 911. Call. Wait. Hello, player. Wait. Hello. Oh, there's something is scaring me. Something is scaring me. In this plane. I can't tell you much. The problem is. Hello? Oh. There's a crazy monster trying to kill us. Killing. Oh my. What? Wait. What? What? Ah! A. Ooh, A. Ah! A. A. Bro, thanks. No, my cam's stuck. No. Ah! Oh my gosh. Chasing. Gotta run. But I need one more page left. Run. Ah, ah, ah. Run from crazy. Crazy monster. Run from the crazy monster. The door is open. Get in. Ah, yes. Okay. Everyone is here. Wait, what's going on? That was close. I found old page. It says do not trust him. He is haunted. He's haunted. I knew that. What is that, scary facey? It says do not trust him. He's haunted. He's haunted. It says do not trust him. He's haunted. Trust. What does it mean? It says do not. What is do not trust him? He's haunted. Who is haunted? What does it mean? Who's haunted? Who's haunted? Who's haunted? Who's haunted? I don't know who's haunted. So his spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for this death. Now that you know about the monster, you must know he can't take any shape. He could be agent or even president, but I'm not sure yet. Take this gun. Give me. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. So who's taking the shot? Okay. I'll rather agent or president. I'll rather agent or president. Who? He's got fun. Can you do it good? He's hey. Okay. Maybe I'll shoot. Okay. I'm gonna kill you. Hee. I'm making a big mistake. No, you. We are not monsters. don't trust you, Agent. Sorry, but I have to do this. Speech. Huh? Ah, what is that? It's the monster. Mr. President, the God is. The God is president. He tried to. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. No. Who? Congratulations, passenger, who saved the day once again. Who? That was so scary. Totally. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. Finally. God. Oh, yes. We got a victory ending. Yes. Finally, the victory ending.